Here's part 2. Today is October 21st, 2016. Dog swimming with geese again. There's one dog swimming. Like and subscribe. There's the other dummy. The dog's retrieving. There she is. Go fetch her toy. And this might be end up as one video. Sorry about the audio. It's because of the wind. Like, comment, and let me know what you want me to make next. That's just beautiful swimming with the geese. These are chocolate labs, to let you know. They hunt birds, fish, but the geese don't even care. Wow. This is unbelievable. Good girl, Lucky. Bring it here. That's my dog retrieving. My silly coin. Good girl. Good girl. No. Sorry about the audio. You might just see something. Just grabbing the toy. Here you go. I'm just trying to record on safe ground. Consider.
Okay, we'll leave Mother Nature's creatures alone.
So, like, comment, and you have a nice day. This is part 2.
Good, right?